started with a dream, like a whisper in the dark. Two lives from different roads, one burning spark.
An army man with honor, a gamer chasing light. Together they found freedom
on a Scania ride tonight. Roll on, old Scania, under the white sky blue. The road is a story, carrying a dream come true. For Kellum and for Barry, every mile is new. The cable truck adventures, forever shining through.
The highways tell their story, the back roads sing along.
The cable truck adventures became their country song.
Through sunrise on the blacktop, in towns they've never known.
They carry more than cargo, they're bringing their dream home. Roll on, old Scania, under the white sky blue. The road is a story, carrying a dream come true. For Kellum and for Barry, every mile is new. The cable truck adventures, forever shining through. Now every mile behind them is a chapter they've made. The laughter and the hard times, the memories won't fade.
For Kellum and for Barry, the dream has come alive.
In that good old Scania, their hearts will always drive. Roll on, old Scania, under the white sky blue. The road is a story, carrying a dream come true. For Kellum and for Barry, every mile is new. The cable truck adventures, forever shining through. Yes, the cable truck adventures, forever shining through.